Hello and namaste. A little bit about day 3 and 4 at Melton Truck Lines orientation. On day 3, we had maintenance and operation managers come and speak to class. Very thorough, very interesting actually, and very detailed presentation, talks, lectures. Kind of they give you a good gist of an overview of the company and their departments. Also on day 2, I wanted to say that the security personnel spoke to us, and they showed some gruesome pictures and accidents that happened to the employees while working on flatbeds. So that's a little bit of a shake up and wake up moment for the beginners in this industry, this type of trucking. So it's good to know, have to respect the environment, respect the equipment and everything around, including the weather. So on day 3, which was yesterday, had lots of talks, lots of information. On all of the days they give you a little bit of a homework to do, which is pretty simple, but you still have to do it. At the end of day 3, we started load securement. So they take you out and show you how to put some chains on and straps on different loads. So today on day 4, we are basically in the yard, which is over there behind me, securing different types of loads. You kind of find a partner or group to work with and go at it. The basics and the fundamentals are the same on every load, of course. Just the location and location of the securement is different, but as soon as you find out and know how to do the basics of chains and straps, it's kind of downhill from there, at least in the beginning. So yeah, pretty quick video. Actually, road tests are also started today. I don't know if I'm going. I think I'm going maybe tomorrow because they're going alphabetically. My last name starts with an M, so I'll probably go tomorrow. And you spend an hour on the road with a coach, basically. They have a Tulsa Tech Community College people come here, and so it's like an independent entity that evaluates your driving, so it's not biased or anything. So you go with the coach, instructor, and they coach you through if you need coaching, actually, obviously. And so that started today. I'll probably go tomorrow. Anything else? Oh yeah, well, you get lunches also, which is very nice of the company to provide lunches for the students and new employees. Not many vegan options there, but they have to accommodate the masses. So that's taken care of. Lunches are provided. There's some soda machines and water fountains. I bring my own lunch. I bring melons, and I have some pineapples I'm going to bring tomorrow, and a bunch of mandarins and oranges, and I just stick to fruit. When I come back to the hotel, I eat some salad, some guacamole, tomatoes, So that's my type of nutrition here for now. Today they had hot dogs here, so not my cup of tea. Everything else is great. Tulsa, Oklahoma, another day. Thank you so much. Best regards. Much love to you guys. Namaste.